My name is Captain Latif and this is my YouTube channel. This YouTube channel is dedicated for giving tips and life hacks. Today on my table is a very interesting topic that we believe will help you so much. If you do like the topic for discussion today, kindly tap on the subscription button to subscribe, like and share the video for us. How to make it in life with little or no education at all. College degree is being touted out there to seem like ultimate guarantee for a good job, a successful career, and even a decent living. But I dare say that theory being propounded out there is not factual and truthful as people project. You can actually make it in life big time without having a college degree or without education at all. I mean formal education at all. And that is why it is very important for you to stick till the very end of this particular video. Don't blink. After this short break, I'll give you 5 tips that will help you to excel in life without education. Alright, welcome back. So let's delve into the video. If you want to succeed in life and you are not fortunate in life, you did not step foot in the classroom, you had no formal education, you do not have a college degree. Here is tip number 1. Find problems around you and solve them. The concept of money making is all about rendering service to people. It's about solving problems that are confronting society. Society is faced with multiple challenges, and people who tend to find solutions to this problem are those that control $1 million in their bank account. So let me give you a simple scenario. Say we are about 100 people living in an area. We do not have potable water to drink. We walk miles away to get water. And I take it upon myself to take the pain of walking that miles every morning to fetch water for those remaining 99 people at a fee. I'm getting something for the service I'm rendering. So the concept of money making is about giving solution to problems that are confronting society. So if you do not have a degree, you cannot apply for any formal job. Do not worry, I got you covered. Simply try to look around you and find solutions to some of the petty problems that are confronting the neighborhood or wherever you find yourself. Okay, that is what is actually going to translate into money for you. Number 2, learn a skill that is relevant to your geographical location. Very often I meet people that tell me, Captain, I'm a trader, I'm a carpenter, I'm an electrician, and what have you. The point is, you can learn a trade or a skill at all, but if it is not applicable and relevant to the geographical location of yourself, it will still not be useful. Yes. So you may have the skill alright, but it is not applicable. It is not needed in where you find yourself. So for example, I live in a fishing community. The fisher folks there use outboard motor. And if I want to learn any engineering at all, I should specialize in an engineering that deal with the repair and maintenance of outboard motor, so that after my 3 years or 4 years of learning the skill, if my people, the fisher folk, want somebody to repair their outboard motor or broken outboard motor, they will need my service. If I go and learn mechanic, The people do not use vehicles, they do not use cars, so they may not need my service. Even if I want to learn carpentry, specialize in carpentry, I should specialize in a carpentry that deal with the construction of canoes or fishing boats, and not those into furniture. The skill you learn should be relevant to where you find yourself. Point number 3. Do the same job diligently. Okay, I am yet to see somebody who walk into a shopping mall or a grocery store to purchase a product, and he or she is being asked of the kind of job he did to earn that money. The job you do to earn money is not tagged on the money. What is important is a decent and legitimate. So jobs like cobbler, porter, or they call locally as kayaye, truck pushing, anything that people, society disrespect, but it is legitimate. If you do not have a degree or you not school to the highest level, okay, start doing those work diligently, and I bet you will not do that till the end of your life. You may do it for some time to gather enough money to move to the next level in life. You will not stick there forever and ever. So try to do those shame jobs that people do not respect. At the end of the day, you are feed yourself, your family, and at the end of the day, putting something in your bank account or in your savings box, you are good to go. So do the shame job diligently, and I bet you it will shock you the amount of money you'll be able to gather. Now the 4th point, use your talent. Yes, there are people who are fortunate and lucky enough in life to be endowed with unique skills. Use them. Don't sit on your talent. Mention the big names. Big time footballers who has thousands and millions of dollars sitting in their bank account. Cristiano Ronaldo, Ronaldinho, Didier Drogba. Talk of musicians, the likes of the respected Sir Elton John, Nigerian artists like Wizkid, Genevieve, Nice, big names who actually dropped out of school, but they chased their talent, they pursued their talent. And mind you, their big names, their names are all over. It's because they pursue the talent. Yes, there may be people who may subject the conversation to get somebody who will support and push your talent till you get to the top there. I do agree with them perfectly. But here is the thing. If you try to invest and push yourself there, that is when you see people. So start playing the local justifiers, the local football tournaments and competition being gathered. Try to put your talent on display. If you're a musician, go to the auditions, the reality shows. Try something. If you're a dancer, put it on display. Dance at events, local. That is what will expose you to people that will be able to identify you and push you. You don't sit on it and say you want somebody to come from somewhere. It doesn't happen like that. It doesn't happen like that. So put your God-given talent on display. Put it on exhibition. That is when your God-sent angel will pounce on you, and the rest will be history. So use your talent. Very last but not the least point is Start something small, irrespective of how small or little it is. Do business. Start some small petty business. Even if you are earning a monthly salary, or you are working for people, you are earning a wage, try to invest the money into other business, into other sectors that will provide you extra money. Okay? Because gradually you're growing and you would surpass that income or that earning you are gaining every day. So irrespective of how small a business is, try starting it. Don't wait for $1 million to be given you. All you need is your commitment and determination and the zeal to work, the zeal for the business. Even if you are given $100 million to start a business and the willingness and the commitment and the determination is not there, the business will crash. Yes. If you have these 3 key values, determination, commitment, and the zeal, the willingness to work, I bet you, it will marvel you where you will explode. Your success will explode too. So if you want to succeed in life, here are the 5 tips that will help you to succeed in life without necessarily having the highest level of education or with a very little education. I'm sure this video is helpful. If you liked it, kindly press on the subscription button to subscribe, share and like, so that anytime you drop new video, you'll get to see it. Thank you for watching this video. My name is Captain Latif and I'm out.